What is going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. I just got home from work and I came across the doorway and I saw a package delivered from Get Lowered Cycles. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. A day or two shipping and it's home already. So there you have it right there. Make sure you go follow them on Instagram. They have the best products out there in a day or two and it will be at your doorstep. So we got some new floorboards, guys. We're gonna get rid of these right here that I have. I mean, don't get me wrong, these are great. I've had them for a little while now, and it's time for a change. You know, I'm always doing something different to the bike. So these will be for sale. So if you guys are definitely interested, hit me up on my Instagram. I'm gonna link the link here below so you guys could check it out. BarberCVO_19. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. So these are the floorboards I'm gonna post for sale. I'm gonna do a little quick view on it so you guys could check it out. So the new floorboards just came in. It's amazing. I can't wait. They weigh a lot less and they're here right now. So let's check it out. All right, so we got the package here. Very well wrapped. I just opened up the box right now so you guys can check it out. So good wrapping, obviously. And here we go, guys. These are the new Flow Motorsports in Chrome. Wow, unbelievable. They look so nice. These are the V5 floorboards. And obviously, machined lightweight yet durable T6 aluminum. Floorboards measure 12 by 3/4, long and then by 4.5 wide. Stainless steel, cone-shaped spike with flat tops. Spike cleats are Loctite. Cleats are replaceable. Awesome. So these are it. We're gonna open them up and then check them out. So these are the big floorboards that go in the front. So, and then the passenger ones are these. These are the minis, but these are also extra wide platform, 5-inch long by 3.5 wide. They do make these in smaller version. So they have two sizes, so make sure you guys get the right one. I will link the link below in the description so you guys, in case you guys want to buy them, we gotta check them out. So let's open this one up real quick. It's a nice packaging, really, really nice packaging. Check it out. These are the passenger ones. They remind me of like back in the day when you're like in a on a bicycle. These would be the ones that would be on here. Check it out. So you see they got the flow right there, logo, the emblem. So these puppies are rich. So if you hurt yourself with this, you're in trouble. You're definitely getting scarred. So looks good. What else they have in here? So they got two of them, well packaged. You got some more stickers, of course. Flow Motorsports in white, Flow Motorsports black, and then Flow Motorsports in the engine wise. So these are going to be for the rear. Like I said, the smaller ones are like mini, so they're probably only like half. So these are the full extension. Make sure you buy the full extension. All right, let me put these to the side, and then we're gonna open up these bad boys right here. They were pretty hard to get because they were out of stock, so they have like all different kind of colors. Check them out. These are the floorboards. I'm gonna have to take out these zip ties, cut them up, and there you go. So these are the floorboards. Wow, they are bigger than I thought, which is good because I like big floorboards. And I actually have enough line here to put the LEDs for my Ciro 3D underglow. So check these out. Logo right here. Really nice. Two logos, one here and one here. For your feet, it's like a cleat. And you hear it. Very nice. They have more stickers. I guess they got some spacers as well. So they got both of them put together so you guys can check it out. So what's cool about this is that they could actually fold up. So if you look at it correctly, everything goes in here and then they actually could fold up. So they are foldable up. They're actually really light, so that's good because my other floorboards were really heavy. But these are really nice. Check it out. They got the part number here, FP 800V5L. This is the left side, front, and then obviously the other one says R front. Very nice, guys. We're gonna do the installation real quick and put them side by side for the old floorboards so you guys can see how big they are. So we're going side by side here so you guys can check out how it looks and compare it to each other as far as size. Significantly super bigger. Look at that. See that? This is really heavy and really long. So this one's gonna look nice on there. Very smooth, very sportier look. I'm actually doing a couple things different on the bike, trying to make it look like a performance bagger. And yeah, I'm gonna try to switch things up a little bit. So underneath the floorboards, you got two screws, which is one right there and one right there, where it's already positioned, ready for takeoff. All right, so we're gonna unloosen that, and then all you gotta do is take the floorboard off and it's gonna go right over. All right, I just finished unscrewing it. All I gotta do is take it off and it comes off just like that. All right, one important notice that these spacers that come with the floorboards, they're very important. I don't know what they were for, but when I put these on, this thing was like shaking a little bit. Now it's not shaking because you know why? It goes right in between here, one on each side, so they come four. 1, 2, and then the other two is 3, 4. You don't need them in the back. But in the front, they do because otherwise you're gonna get a wobble and a shake. So how hard you tie this is all depends how high you're gonna go up and down with this. I rarely ever put them up, so I'm gonna put them pretty tight. All right, so now I just installed the new floorboards from Flow. Check it out. Looks good. Looks right. That's the old one. Don't mind that. Looking good. So you can focus in on the logo. Real nice. All right, so we're not gonna be able to install the back because I don't have the bracket for it, because the bracket that comes with the old floorboards didn't have it. And I don't know what I did with the stock ones, but here's gonna go the back part just like this. You'll get the idea. It'll look just like that. Really cool. Okay guys, here it is, the final product of the floorboards from Flow. I think it looks really good, very sporty-ish now, not on the luxury look now from like before. Like I said, I still gotta put the pegs in the back because I gotta get the mount for it. But other than that, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. Very, very nice. I also took out the front wind guards that were there before. Like I said, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit differently. I might take off the pods, the lower pods. I don't know yet. So this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna be taking out also the back factory 47 bag crash guards. I'm gonna be taking those off. I'm probably gonna be selling them also as well. Like I said, message me down below, or you could send me a message to my Instagram, barbercvo_19. Let me show you how it looks on the other side. There you go, baby. Look at it glisten. Look at it glistening. All right, a view from the top. See how it looks. It looks good. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Barber CVO in the building, baby. Talk to you soon, guys. Peace.